Hey friends, Luck here. Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be looking at 5 of what I consider to be the best smart bands or fitness bands that are coming out of China right now. So on this side we have the Huawei Band 6 Pro. Right here we have the Oppo Band, we have the Mi Band 6, we have the Huawei Band 6 and the Honor Band 6. So we're going to be looking at the similarities between them. We're also going to be looking at some differences. We're going to be looking at the navigation as well as the application, and we're going to be looking at which one is going to be best for your money. All of them do come in at different price ranges, but their price range is not that far apart. Some of them do have extremely close similarities, such as the Honor Band and the Huawei Band and the Huawei Band 6, but they do have slight differences between them as well. So first of all, we're going to be having a look at the Huawei Band 6 Pro. So the Huawei Band 6 Pro has definitely been one of my favorite devices so far. Its build quality is absolutely wonderful. It looks completely beautiful compared to the rest of them. It has amazing colorways as well. So in the navigation with the Huawei Band 6 Pro, once you slide down, you do get your widgets. It is similar with the Huawei Band 6 and the Honor Band 6 as well. Once you swipe up, you get your notifications. So the thing with the notifications is that you cannot directly reply your notifications from your smartwatch. You do still have to open your phone to be able to reply your notification. Once you swipe to the side, you get different applications on your device. So these are the applications that are native to each particular device. So once you click the side, it takes you to your application settings. So the application settings here is absolutely wonderful. So you have your workout mode. This has about 96 different workout modes, which are quite a lot and absolutely wonderful for people who want to keep a healthy lifestyle. This have your workout record, your heart rate monitor, your blood oxygen monitor, and this is a new addition to the Huawei Band. This is the body temperature monitoring system. So this system does have its problems, but overall it has been working absolutely perfectly for me. So you have your activity records, you have your sleep monitoring system, your stress monitoring system, and also your breathing exercises. You have notifications, you have your weather, and another new addition is the cards. So this is not available in the Huawei Band 6 or the Honor Band 6. You do have Alipay, as this is a Chinese product. It does support Alipay. You have WeChat, you have your stopwatch, you have your timer, you have your alarm, you have your flashlight, you'll find your phone, as well as settings. So in the settings, there are some few differences here with the other device. So this does support AI voice. It also supports the addition of PIN for you to be able to lock your device in case it's missing or in case you just want privacy. It's really a good feature that I think this device has. So now let's have a look at the Oppo Band. So the Oppo Band is definitely my least favorite band among all of them. The form quality is definitely not one of my favorite. It has a really small screen, which I extremely dislike, but overall it does have some amazing functions. So with navigations, once you swipe to the side, it just takes you to a new watch face. You don't go to different applications like the other devices that we have here. Once you swipe up or down, it takes you into the application list. So in the application list, we have the basics. We have your workout mode, you have your heart rate monitoring system, your blood oxygen monitoring system, you also have your sleep monitoring system as well. But this doesn't have as much use or as much application as the rest of the other devices, so I don't have much to say about this. You also do not have the ability to reply messages directly from this smart band as well, but a lot of people do enjoy using the Oppo Band. For me personally, the Oppo Band is my least favorite among all of these devices. So the next one that we have here is definitely what I consider to be my own personal favorite, which is the Mi Band 6. The Mi Band 6 has a very beautiful AMOLED display. It's sort of looks edge to edge, which makes it look absolutely wonderful. I like the rounded finish. It makes it look really premium. You do have interchangeable straps just like the rest of them, but the options on the Mi Band 6 is definitely one of my favorite. So in terms of navigation, once you swipe down, it takes you to the application settings. Once you swipe up, it also takes you to the application settings as well. Once you swipe to the side, you go to different applications that you have on your device. So one thing that I should note about this is that most of them or all of them do not come with internal memory. As such, you cannot put any music on the device itself. You still have to play the music directly from your phone. So going into the application settings, you have things like status pi. You also have your heart rate monitoring system, your blood oxygen monitoring system, sleep monitoring system, notifications, your workout modes. This also has a lot of workout modes, just like the Huawei Band 6 Pro and the Huawei Band 6. This has your workout history, your stress monitoring system, your breathing exercise. It also has events, it has alarm, it has your weather, it has supports Alipay and WeChat Pay as well. This has music. Like I said, you cannot put music directly on the device. You have to use your phone. So it also has world clock and has settings and more as well. So this device, definitely I've been using it for quite a while and I absolutely love it. It is completely amazing. So one thing that I should note that is different between this device and the Oppo Band but similar with the rest is to change the watch face. All you need to do is hold down on your device. Once you hold down on the device, it gives you the option to change to different watch faces. So the next one that we're going to have a look at is the Huawei Band 6. So the Huawei Band 6 has lots of similarities with the Huawei Band 6 Pro. The build design is basically the same thing. It has the same form factor all around. So the difference that you have is internally. So the difference internally is when you go to the application. So in the applications, you do not have your body temperature monitoring system as well as cards, and you do not have the ability to add pin or the AI voice as well on the Huawei Band 6. But most of everything is the same. In terms of navigation, once you slide down, you get your widgets, and once you slide up, you get your notifications as well. Once you swipe to the side, you do have your different applications that you use, and you are not also able to answer any messages directly from your smartwatch, neither are you able to put any music directly on your smart band. So it's definitely something that you should keep note of if you are thinking about picking up any of these devices. So on this side, we have the Honor Band 6. So the Honor Band 6 is similar to the Huawei Band 6 and the Huawei Band 6 Pro. The only difference that you have with this is that for me, it comes in a cheaper build. The quality doesn't feel exactly premium. It feels definitely more cheaper than the remaining products that we have here. In terms of navigation, they're exactly the same thing. Once you swipe down, you get your widgets. Once you swipe up, you get your notifications. Also in this, the notifications, you cannot reply directly to them. Once you swipe to the side, you have your different applications that you use on a daily basis. So once you click the button on the side, you go to the application list. So in the application list, you have your workout mode, you have your workout records, your heart rate monitoring system, your blood oxygen monitoring system, the activity records, you have your sleep monitoring system, your stress monitoring system, your breathing exercise notifications, you have your weather, Alipay, you have your stopwatch, you have your timer, you have your alarm, your flashlight, find my phone, and the settings. So the Honor Band 6 and the Huawei Band 6 for me are exactly the same device. There is no difference between the both of them in terms of the arrangement of the application list, but one difference that you do get between the both of them is in the workout modes. For me, in the workout modes, the Huawei Band 6 definitely has more workout modes compared to that of the Honor Band 6. With the Huawei Band 6, you can add different types of workout mode that you want to do, while with the Honor Band 6, you will not be able to add the different types of workout modes that you would want to do. So that's definitely the difference between the both of them. For me, in terms of recommendation, I would definitely recommend the Huawei Band 6 Pro due to the fact that it has more applications and more applicable use compared to the other devices. I will also recommend the Miband 6 and the Huawei Band 6 Pro. I will not recommend the Honor Band 6 or the Oppo Band for anyone, but I think the Huawei Band 6 Pro and the Huawei Band 6 and the Mi Band are definitely devices that you should consider picking up because they come at an affordable rate and extremely premium looking and extremely beautiful. So I would definitely recommend that for anyone to get. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next one.